अगर कोई चीज जरूरी होती है तो रास्ता मिलता है, अगर नहीं होती तो आपको बहाने मिलेंगे। भाई ये वजह है, मैं इस वजह से ये नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ अपनी लाइफ में, उस वजह की वजह से कुछ नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, मेरी लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम्स इतनी सारी है। तो आप लोग हमेशा ब्लेम गेम्स, यू हैव टू प्ले ब्लेम गेम्स एवरी डे, यू विल कीप ऑन प्लेइंग ब्लेम गेम्स जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ माई स्कूल टीचर, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ माई ट्यूशन टीचर, दे वर नॉट क्वाइट बेटर. Excuse me, dear people, they were not quite better. That's why I couldn't improve. I couldn't take myself to the next level. That was the reason. My parents were not quite good. They were not focused on me. Oh, really? You're right. You always keep on playing blame games. Just because of my parents, I couldn't improve myself. Just because of my tuition teacher, just because of my school teacher, just because of them, just because of my responsibilities. There were so many responsibilities on me, on my shoulder. That's why I couldn't improve, ameliorate myself. You would keep on playing blame games. अगर कोई चीज़ ज़रूरी है ना तो रास्ता मिलता है, अगर नहीं है तो आपको हमेशा ही हमेशा बहाने मिलेंगे.
So many people have their own dream to become a dancer. So many people have their dream to become an actor. So many people have dream to become a singer. So many people have dream to become like Suraj sir. So many people have dreams. People have their own dreams. I have my own dreams also. So ladies and gentlemen, this is me Surbhi in front of you. First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Suraj sir and Sanjeev sir to giving me this golden opportunity to stand here.
This is Minigam in front of you all. First of all, I would like to say thanks to my both of sir, Mr. Suraj sir and Mr. Sanjeev sir, for having me this golden opportunities. As well as I would like to thank all the viewers, all the spectators, all the audience, all the companions, all the panelists who all are present over here. Today I am having fantastic, fantabulous, marvelous, tremendous, grandiloquent, splendid, wonderful, beautiful, and supercalifragilisticexpialidocious topic. And you know, guys, today I'm going to talk about very important, crucial, significant thing, and that can change your life. No one can change your life. Anyone cannot change your life. But you know, guys, if you're having one knowledge, if you're having one skills, if you're having one talent, you can definitely transform your life. You can make your future bright and bright with the help of that is communication skills. That is English. I'm talking about English language. If you know that how to speak English, you can do job in MNC company. So many people are there, they are well educated, but they are not able to get the respect. They are not able to do job in MNC company just because of not having the talent, just because of not having the skills of an English language. So guys, I would like to say all the people कि दूध में चावल डालने से खीर बनती है, कि दूध में चावल डालने से खीर बनती है, और इंग्लिश सीखने से तकदीर बनती है, इंग्लिश सीखने से तकदीर बनती है. So ladies and gentlemen, I would love to say it from bottom of my heart and from core of my heart that everybody should have the knowledge, everybody should have the skills, everybody should have the talent of an English language. If they know that how to speak English, if they know that if they are having the ability or capability of speaking English, then they can go to the abroad. They can earn 1 lakh, they can earn 2 lakh, they can earn crore as well, guys, just because of this language. And that is English language. So many people are there, they are well educated, but just because of not having good communication skills, just because of not having the knowledge of an English language, they are not able to make their life right and bright. They are not able to grow in their life. They are not able to move forward, go ahead in their life just because of not having the talent of English. This is the importance of, guys, and I would like to say each and every person who all are present over here that everyone must join this institute. Because of this institute, I have transformed my life. I have changed my life. Because of this platform, New Generation Institute, I have changed my life. Before I used to stumbling, I was not able to speak English. I was unable to speak English. I was unable to speak single words of English. I used to think that I cannot speak English. Before I was zero, but now I can speak English with confidence. I can speak fluently. I can speak confidently. Just because of this platform, just because of this place, I can speak in a better way, in a superior way, in a supercalifragilisticexpialidocious way. No one can defeat me. I can speak English in millions of people. I can speak English in front of billions of people. I can speak confidently. I am not having the phobia. So many people are there, they are having the glossophobia, but I am not having any kind of phobia. I can speak fluently, confidently in front of each and every person. Because I am a confident boy, because I am having a confidence. That this is the value of English. This is the importance of English. Guys, I would like to say, अगर आप भी अपनी लाइफ में करना चाहते हो साइन, तो कर लो न्यू जनरेशन को ज्वाइन. You know, guys, if you want to shine in your life, if you want to become something, if you want to become successful person in your life, then this platform is the best. East and the West, सूरज की सृष्टि is the best. I would like to say, अगर आप जीरो हो, you can become hero. अगर आप नालायक हो, आप इस प्लेटफॉर्म में आते ही लायक बन जाओगे गाइस. आई एम गिविंग यू 100% गारंटी. मैं भी नालायक था, मुझे भी कुछ नहीं आता था, मतलब मैं भी इंग्लिश बोलने से डर लगता था. जब भी मैं स्टेज पर जाता था परफॉर्मेंस देने, मुझे भी डर लगता था कि मैं नहीं बोल सकता लोगों के सामने. मुझे एक फोबिया था मेरे अंदर, एक फियर था कि आई कैन नॉट स्पीक इंग्लिश. बट राइट नाउ आई कैन स्पीक इंग्लिश because Suraj sir is giving me opportunities. Suraj sir is giving me so many facilities, good activities, and Sanjeev sir, Suraj sir, both are motivating me, supporting me, and both are assisting me, and both are giving me so many knowledge, so many ideas. Now I believe in myself. I will say it with 100% guarantee. I believe in myself that I can become something because of this platform, guys. Because of this platform. What do you want to become? If you want to become an actor, if you want to become a doctor, if you want to become a director, whatever you want to become, guys, you can become. I am 100% sure. I believe in myself that I can become an actor also. This is my dream since my childhood. I wanted to become an actor. I used to think, but now I believe in myself. If I am staying here, if I am here, then this platform is, then I will be somewhere. If I am here, then I will be somewhere in my future generation. In my upcoming moment, I will be somewhere else. Right now, I am only here. But in my generation, in my future generation, I will be there. I will be fly high in the sky. Just because of this platform, I will be doing something great. I will be doing something amazing, fantastic, fantabulous, marvelous, tremendous, grandiose, outstanding. I will be doing splendid. And I will be doing something great, guys, because of this platform. This platform is just giving me not only of the, this platform is not only giving me only English language. This platform is also making me learn how to operate the computer, how to sing a song, how to act on the stage. This platform is, what do you want to become, guys? If you want to become an air hostess, must come here. Join this platform. Come here. This platform is gonna make you become an actor, doctor, director, cabin crew, a teacher, a scientist, whatever you want to become, you can become. You can become so many things here just because of this Suraj Srishti supported by New Generation Institute. You know, guys, this platform, just because of this place, just because of this tuition, just because of this coaching, just because of this institute, I am having confidence. I am a confident boy. No one can defeat me. I can speak English in front of billions of people, in front of millions of people. I can speak, I can perform on the stage also. And nobody or no one can defeat me. Thank you so much, guys. You have been the great spectators, great audience, and the supercalifragilisticexpialidocious listeners of the day.
What is unique about this institute?
Sir, this institute is really unique. This institute is really creative and different from each and every one, from each and every institute. Because I have seen, I have observed, I have noticed so many institutes are there. Multiple type of institute are there, right? And I have gone, I have visited so many institute, guys. I would like to say it from bottom of my heart. I have visited so many institute, but I am really fed up with those institute. I like only this institute. I don't like those institute because they are teaching grammar, only they are teaching vocabularies, only they are teaching article a and the a e I o u, like this kind of thing they are teaching, but they are not having the facilities. They are not providing good activities. They are not providing good opportunities which this institute is providing. And just because of, guys, अगर मैं एक चीज बताऊं ना, जिस दिन मैं कॉन्फ्रेंस मीटिंग में गया था ना, उसी दिन मुझे समझ में आ गया था कि ये इंस्टीट्यूट सच में मेरे लाइफ को चेंज कर देगा. मैंने पता है कॉन्फ्रेंस मीटिंग उनको डिफीट कर दिया था. वो पूछने लग गए थे, भाई तुम कहाँ से आए हो? वो मुझसे डिबेट में पूछ रहे थे, सर
What do your school teachers say from you?
Sir, whenever I speak English in school, oh my goodness, that's amazing question asked by Suraj sir. Amazing, fantastic. I would like to say, guys, whenever I speak English in my school teacher always clap for myself. My school teacher always admire me. My school teacher always appreciate me. She says what? She says, Nigam, you are doing excellent. Nigam, you are doing great. Nigam, you can become something just because of this institute. My school teacher keep on saying, my school teachers keep on saying that you should join this institute and you should join till your last breath, because this institute is giving you so many good opportunities. The way you are speaking, my school teachers, not only my school teachers, but also my village relatives, but also my friends, but also my enemies are also saying, oh my goodness, Nigam, before you were not, before you used to think what is English, before I used to think I was unable to speak the single word, guys, but now I can speak so many vocabularies, idioms, phrases, just because of this institute, guys. And my school teachers always keep on supporting me. They always keep on saying you should join this institute, and they also say I also want to join. They also say my school teacher also want to come here on this platform, and they also want to join this because they also want to learn. They also want to speak the way Suraj sir speaks, the way Sanjeev sir speaks. They also want to speak, and they also want to become a fluent speaker. They also want to become a supercalifragilisticexpialidocious speaker. They also want to become a fantabulous, marvelous, tremendous, grandiose speaker. They also want to become, guys, they also want to become a dynamic, splendid speaker. They also want to become an effective, attractive speaker. They also want to become a native speaker in their life, but they are not able to become. So many people are not able to become. So many people are crying. So many people are fed up with their life because they are not having the talent of English. So many people are going for the interview, but their boss is saying, I'm sorry, you are rejected. I'm sorry, you are rejected. And they are feeling sad. They are feeling bad. They are crying. They are crying, guys. Really, so many people are there. They are crying. Like this, so many people are crying because they are getting rejected in the interview. They are going in MNC company for the sake of job, but they are getting rejected again and again, over and over. They are getting rejected, and they are feeling sad down in the dump, down in the mouth. They are feeling bad. They are feeling upset. They are feeling really destitute. They are feeling not good.
Did your school teachers say to you that they will make you become an English trainer or English teacher?
My school teachers keep on saying that you will become something. I will make you become an English trainer. One day will come and you will become. My school teacher keep on saying, one day will come, you will become an English trainer. And they keep on saying, I will hire you. I will never fire you. I will hire you. Forever, I will hire you. They always keep on saying that, Nigam, your English is good and I will hire you. And I will also make you become an English trainer. Yes.
Okay, so can people become English teacher after coming at New Generation Institute supported by Suraj K. Srishti?
Oh my goodness, how can you say, sir? Why not? Answer will be why not? Answer will be yes. Answer will be absolutely. Answer will be definitely. Answer will be exactly. If they are coming here. Yes, guys, you heard me right. Absolutely right. Yes, yes, yes. You heard me right. Absolutely right. If they are coming on this stage, definitely they can become not only an English trainer, but also they can become a teacher, but also they can become an actor, but also they can become a doctor. Not only a English trainer, not only an English trainer, but also they can become an air hostess. But also they can learn computer classes, they can learn dance classes, they can do so many things, guys. This is reality, this is clarity. I am talking about fact. I am not saying, I am saying not only for saying, this is happening. Come here, then you will also observe.
Okay, can people get job at New Generation Institute supported by Suraj K. Srishti?
Oh my goodness. Amazing, interesting, fascinating, captivating question asked by Suraj sir. The answer will be yes. The answer will be absolutely right. Absolutely right, guys. When they come at Suraj K. Srishti, they can also do job in MNC company. They can also get a job. They can do job in a better way. They can get an armchair job. They can get a good job. And they can do job in front of AC. You know, guys, when they will come here, when they will join this, when they will enroll their self here in the heartbeat into 6 of let's say in the blink of an eye, at the drop of the hat in less than no time. If they are coming here, then they will definitely become.
So guys, now you must have been acquainted about all these things, whatever you have heard, whatever you have watched in this video. So keep on watching up to the very end, and I just want to let you know Gold mine of a good opportunity is always near you. Yes, you're right. Absolutely right. Gold mine of a good opportunity is always near you. You need a keen eye. You need a keen eye and keen mindset to see. After seeing those opportunity, grab it. Just, you heard me right. Absolutely right, guys. You heard me right. Absolutely right. Just grab it. So here we have so many golden opportunity. Gold mine of a good opportunity is always near you. You need a keen eye and keen mindset. After seeing, come here and join New Generation Institute, supported by Suraj University. एक बात मेरी हमेशा याद रखना, एक बात हमेशा मेरी याद रखना, अगर कोई चीज जरूरी है ना तो भैया और भाभी जी, अगर कोई चीज जरूरी है ना तो रास्ता मिलता है. अगर कोई चीज जरूरी है तो रास्ता मिलता है. अगर कोई चीज जरूरी नहीं होती ना तो बहाने मिलते हैं. अगर कोई चीज जरूरी होती है तो रास्ता मिलता है, अगर नहीं होती तो आपको बहाने मिलेंगे. भाई ये वजह है, मैं इस वजह से ये नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ अपनी लाइफ में, उस वजह की वजह से कुछ नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, मेरी लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम्स इतनी सारी है. तो आप लोग हमेशा ब्लेम गेम्स, यू हैव टू प्ले ब्लेम गेम्स एवरी डे. यू विल कीप ऑन प्लेइंग ब्लेम गेम्स जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ माय स्कूल टीचर, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ माय ट्यूशन टीचर. दे वर नॉट क्वाइट better. Excuse me, dear people, they were not quite better. That's why I couldn't improve. I couldn't take myself to the next level. That was the reason. My parents were not quite good. They were not focused on me. Oh, really? You're right. You always keep on playing blame games. Just because of my parents, I couldn't improve myself. Just because of my tuition teacher, just because of my school teacher, just because of them, just because of my responsibilities. There were so many responsibilities on me, on my shoulder. That's why I couldn't improve, ameliorate myself. You would keep on playing blame games. अगर कोई चीज़ ज़रूरी है ना तो रास्ता मिलता है, अगर नहीं है तो आपको हमेशा ही हमेशा बहाने मिलेंगे. So wish you all the very best. See you in the next session.